In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect N8N to HubSpot for seamless automation and level up your workflow. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you have everything you need for a successful integration. So let's dive in and start automating. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. If you're not already there, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and type in User Guide HubSpot, or follow a direct link if you have one handy. This guide is your go-to resource for all things HubSpot, especially when it comes to setting up new integrations. Once you're on the user guide main page, you'll notice a variety of options. For the purpose of this video, we'll focus on connecting HubSpot with N8N. Now that you're on HubSpot's user guide main page, look for the Marketplace option. It's usually located in the navigation menu, so take a moment to find it and click on it. The Marketplace is essentially HubSpot's integration center, where you can discover and connect various applications designed to enhance your workflow. Once you've clicked on Marketplace, let the page load and familiarize yourself with the available options. Next, you'll want to click on Apps. This section is specifically dedicated to the different apps available within the HubSpot ecosystem. Browsing through the apps library will give you an idea of the numerous possibilities for enhancing your business processes. It's always good to periodically check this section for any new offerings or updates as HubSpot continuously expands its app offerings. Continuing on, you'll need to type in N8N into the search bar. N8N is a powerful workflow automation tool that makes connecting different services and automations a breeze. Typing N8N into the search bar will narrow down the results and lead you directly to the N8N app page. The search function usually autofills, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding exactly what you need once you start typing. Once N8N appears in the search results, select n8now.cloud from the options. Clicking on this option will take you to the specific app page where you can gain insights into what N8N offers and how it can benefit your business processes. Make sure to glance through the app details to get a clear understanding of its capabilities. Finally, to complete the integration, you will click on the Install App button. This will initiate the installation process, which is usually straightforward and user-friendly. Make sure to follow any on-screen instructions that may guide you through additional setup steps or permissions required. And there you have it. Your N8N and HubSpot accounts are now set up to work together seamlessly. Having this integration in place allows you to automate tasks, save time, and boost productivity instantly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you level up your workflow by integrating N8N with HubSpot. Happy automating!